What is the best way to lift the 450-watt PV panels to a rooftop? Number 1. Vertical hoisting. This requires equipment like cranes, vertical cranes, and forklifts. These machines require a lot of space, which is not always feasible and become with costly equipment rental fees. Number 2. Manual handling. This requires workers to climb up and down repeatedly, which is inefficient, physically exhausting, and dangerous. For big installation projects, manual handling is too time-consuming and cumbersome. Is there a more convenient, flexible, and cost-effective way? Introducing the 3S lifted material hoist. The 3S lifted material hoist is small and light enough to fit in a minivan. The installation is tool-free and can be completed by 2 people in just 20 minutes for a 10 meters rail model. Let's see how it works for a rooftop PV installation. PV panels are fragile. They must not be exposed to high amounts of pressure during transport, nor can they withstand strong shocks or vibrations. The 3S lifted material hoist makes lifting PV panels a breath. The special solar panel lifting platform is designed for handling PV panels. With its unique holding bracket, the platform ensures safe, reliable, and smooth transport. The panels are well secured and handled with care. Simply press the button and to watch all 8 PV panels being lifted to the rooftop at once. This is an efficient, labor-saving, and safe solution. The material hoist is equipped with multiple safety features to make sure the handling process is as safe as possible. During operation, the load-carrying device will instantly lock on the guide rail in case the wire rope should break, making sure the goods are secured. In the case of a power failure, the goods will also be firmly locked in their current position immediately, avoiding a fall. In addition, the operator can press the emergency stop button on the remote control for a safe and reliable emergency brake at any time. Safety measures are our specialty. Based on our philosophy of safe, simple, specialized, we offer a variety of specialized lifting platforms and attachments for the material hoist that are perfectly suited to lift a wide range of materials. Let the 3S lifted material hoist do the heavy lifting for you. Material handling has never been easier.